Good day everyone! I am Arnold, Marketing from Carstein Unlimited. And today, may bago na naman tayong release, which is ang 2020 Mitsubishi L300 Dual AC. But unfortunately, nahiyang magpa-interview ang ating client. But still, pumayag naman silang mag-take ng videos from signing documents, discussion, payment, at hanggang pictorial. That's it, we're done releasing our unit. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am and Sir, for trusting Carstein Unlimited at syempre sa tulong na rin ng Global Dominion. And again, congratulations po, and ingat po kayo sa biyahe. At kung naghahanap ka ng sign, baka ito na yon. Meron tayong contact number dyan sa ating screen where you can directly message or call us. Or if you're planning to walk-ins or view our available unit, feel free to visit our 4 showrooms here at Carstein Unlimited. Baka nandito na pala ang dream car na hinahanap mo.